Hello dear students, welcome back to the EVS class. Dear students, in the previous video class we have completed the first lesson of your EVS subject. Yes, the name of the lesson it was about myself, and even I have solved the evaluate part also. I hope you have written everything in your EVS playbook. Dear students, today in this video class let us study about the second lesson. The name of the lesson here is, what is the name of the lesson? Being healthy. Yes, can you read? B-E-I-N-G. Being healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Healthy. So the name of the lesson here is being healthy. Yes. Then what is the meaning of healthy, dear students? Yes. Are you all healthy? Yes. Everyone are healthy. Okay. Nothing but if our body is working in a proper manner. Okay, our health conditions. Okay, healthy is nothing but whatever our body health conditions. Okay, whether they are in a good condition or a bad condition. If our health conditions are in a good, then we will say that healthy. Okay, so to be healthy, what we have to do then? Yes, we have to play a games and we have to do exercise and even we have to follow the good habits also. That all the things we are going to study in this second lesson, that is being healthy. If you want to stay healthy, then what we have to follow? We have to play some of the games and we have to do exercise daily and we have to follow good habits. Yes, those are the points here. We have to play some games here. Okay, and we have to keep our body fit here. If you want to keep your body fit and fine, then you have to play games and you have to do exercise also, and even you have to follow some good habits also. Okay, so in your page number 184, yes, you can see the lesson in the page number 184. Your second lesson is here, that is being healthy. Okay, in that we have given warm up. Okay, so what you have to do here? Complete the following table by writing about the games you love to play. What you have to do? They have given one game here. Okay, even you have to follow according to this here. One game name they have given, then the number of players in that game. How many number of players required for that game, that you have to mention, and things needed for the game here. What are the things? If you want to play that game, then what things are required, that you have to fill here. The next one here, an important rule of the game, and what are the rules you have to follow, that you have to write in the last column here. One game they have given here. In the same manner, you write about second and third game. This is activity for you. Okay, you have to do in your textbook only. It is in a page number 164. Okay, page number 164 it is. So you do this one and you have to send it to me. Okay, so let us see about the here some of the games here. Yes, dear students, we will play most of the games to have what? To have fun here. Why we are playing the games? Yes, why we are playing games? Yes, you can tell. We have to play games for what purpose? To get a fun. F-U-N, fun. Okay. For whom you are with whom you are playing the games here? With your friends, it may be with your brother, sister, mother, father. Yes. To get a fun, we are playing most of the game here. We are playing most of the game. Okay. To get the fun. Then with whom you are playing the games? Whether it may be your friends. Okay, it may be your brother, sister, or mother and a father. So, why we are playing the games here? We are playing the games to get fun. What is the spelling of fun? F-U-N, fun here. So, in a games, there are two types are there. How many types of games are there? Two types of games are there. There are two types of games are there. The first one is the outdoor games. O-U-T, out, D-O-O-R, door, games, G-A-M-E-S, games. The first type of a game is the outdoor games. The second type of a game is the I-N, D-O-O-R, door, indoor games. Okay, what is second type of a game? Indoor games. The first type is the outdoor games. The second type is the indoor games. Then what is the meaning of outdoor and indoor games that we will learn in this class here. Dear students, here I will show some pictures here. Okay, this picture what it shows? It shows ball. Okay, where you all will play this ball? Whether in a home or outside home? Yes, can you guess? This ball we will play where? Outside house. So it is an outdoor game. Okay, one more I will show the picture here. Yes, this is a Ludo game. Okay, this Ludo game, where we are playing this game, can you guess? This game we are playing inside a room, inside a home we are playing. Okay, we will sit in one place and we will play this game, Ludo game. Okay, so this game, Ludo game, we are playing inside a home here. Okay, again I will show some pictures. Here you can observe some of the pictures are there. Okay, the first picture here they have given. Okay, the second one, yes, you all will play where these all the games we are playing in a park. Nothing but outside. Okay, and seesaw is there, and some of the games they have mentioned here. Okay, sliding is there. Okay, and you can observe these all the games. Okay, these all games we are playing where? We are playing in the park here. So as I have told, there are two types of games are there. First one is the outdoor games, and second type is the indoor games. So here are some of the outdoor games are there. Name of the outdoor games: cricket. Yes, with the help of a bat and ball. Okay, with the help of a bat and ball, this cricket we are playing where? Outside we are playing. We can't here we can't do the cricket in a home here. Okay, we can't play inside a home. Okay, inside room we can't play here. We are playing this cricket where? Outside. So football also we are playing outdoor. And even the hockey also we are playing where? Outside. So these all games will come under where? Outside here, outdoor games. We can't play these in inside the home here. So these all will come under where? Outdoor games here. See some of the indoor games we will see here. Ludo, snakes and ladder, carom, chess. These all will come under an indoor. Because we will play this game where? We will play this game in a home here, inside a room. So example for indoor games are Ludo, L-U-D-O, Ludo, snakes and ladder, next one carom and chess. These are the some of the indoor games. Then what is the definition of an outdoor game and an indoor game? Let us see here. Okay, here I have written the definition of outdoor games and indoor games. Okay, you have to remember it properly. The games which we play in the open park. Okay, it may be in the open park or in a playground. Okay, these are called outdoor games here. The games which we play in the open park or in a playground. Yes, some of the game like a cricket, hockey. Okay, as I have told here, cricket, hockey and football. Where we are playing? We are playing in a playground. Okay, what is a playground? Yes, in your school you are having a playground, no? Okay, outside it is. So outdoor games we are playing in a playground. Okay, if you want to play a chess, okay, and if you want to play Ludo, okay, these games if you want to play, then where we are inside a room we are sitting and we are playing these games here. Okay, the games which we play inside a room, where we play inside a room are called indoor games here. The games which we play inside a room are called indoor games. The games which we play outside a door are called outdoor games here. This is the definition of outdoor games and indoor games here. And some of the examples also I have written here. Outdoor and indoor. Which are the outdoor games? Cricket, football, hockey. Even you can Okay, tell some of the different outdoor games. Remember some of the different outdoor games which you are playing in the playground and when you are in the park also, because it is in an open area. Okay, next indoor games like a ludo, snakes and ladder, carom and chess. These are the some of the indoor games. Okay, dear students, today in this video class we learned about the some of the games here. Two types of games we learned, indoor games and outdoor games. Their definition and their examples also we studied. So now it's a time for the homework. So some of the difficult words I will give today in this class. What you have to do? You have to read those spellings, okay, and you have to practice it. See some of the difficult words. Okay, the first word here is a being. The name of the lesson only first you remember. Being, healthy. Healthy, healthy. Third one is games. Games, games. Fourth one is, okay, indoor. Indoor, indoor. Fifth word here is outdoor. O-U-T, out. D-O-O-R, outdoor. Okay. Sixth word, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Okay. The seventh word. Next we write cricket. C-R-I-C-K-E-T, cricket. Hockey, H-O-C-K-E-Y, hockey. Chess, C-H-E-S-S, chess. Next, carom, C-A-R-R-O-M, carom. Next word is carom. Next is ludo, L-U-D-O, ludo. Okay, these are the some of the difficult words I have given. Okay, the one more word is a stay. So what you have to do, dear students? Okay, you read and write these spellings in your rough book and practice these words here. It will help you to write the answers also. So practice these difficult words. This is the today's homework. Okay, this is the today's homework. Read and write 5 times in your rough book. How many times you have to write? One word 5 times. One word 5 times you write in your rough book and practice this one. Okay, in the next video class again we will continue with this lesson. Till that, have a nice day dear students. Thank you. Bye.